Proteiners, I'm June.
And I'm Evan.
And today we are reviewing the blender bottle.
Holds 28 ounces. It comes with a lid, the bottle, and the shaker ball. And today we're going to be timing how long it takes to make a protein shake in it.
Heck yes! Two scoops of protein powder. Let's get to shaking. Go. And 1 minute.
All right, let's see.
Okay.
Wow, perfectly mixed.
Let's see if there's any clumps. Doesn't look like there is.
Time for the taste test. Not a single clump.
Mixed perfectly in under a minute. All in all, I would give this cup a 10 out of 10.
I would too.
Works great.
If you want to buy this cup too, head to the link below. Click that Amazon link, buy it for yourself.
Yep, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.